Hi guys, this is Gino TV and today we'll be talking about buzzing sound on a microphone on your headset. So basically I'll focus first on the PC settings. So let's go. If you're hearing buzzing sound whenever that you are streaming, live streaming on Facebook or whenever that you are speaking to someone on Skype and you hear a buzzing sound, I know that it's quite difficult. So without further ado, let's go ahead, let's fix your problem. So first guys, you need to go to your Windows Start and then type Control Panel. After you get the Control Panel, click the Hardware and Sound. And then next, you need to click the Sound button. And then as you can see here, you can see Playback, Recording, Sounds, Communications. So you need to click Recording and then you can see Microphone. As you can see guys, there's some level whenever I'm speaking right now on the streaming or on the live or on the recording rather. I'm sorry. So next guys, click the microphone, right click on it, click properties, and then you can see general, listen, levels, enhancement, advanced. So click listen and then click apply. As you can see or as you can hear guys, there's a bassing sound on my microphone right now. There's a faintly bassing sound. And if I will microphone boost it, you can hear it much very well. So let's try to lower it down. And then go back to listen. Let's turn this off. Click apply. And then go to your enhancement. Just in case guys you still don't have any enhancement on your Realtek or on your microphone properties, you need to download it on your Google Chrome and then type Realtek. And then on the Realtek, it will show it on the first option. And then guys, you just need to choose what is the appropriate Realtek download for you for your Windows or for your Linux. So mostly it's 64 bits for the Windows 10, or if you still have the Windows 7 or 8, just download this one. And then after that, install it. And then once you can see the enhancement, you can see the noise suppression, right? Click on it, check on it, and then click OK. After you click OK, let's try to test it out. So we go again on the properties, listen, and then apply. Alright, so as you can see, there's no buzzing sound on my microphone right now, right? And then even if we boost it, I don't hear any buzzing sound. So that's awesome. So guys, if you are satisfied, let me turn off the listen first. So guys, if you are satisfied with the guide on how to turn off the buzzing sound on your microphone, please subscribe and like my video, or you can also put some comments on the comment section. And thank you so much. Have a great day.